It's team lit. We're in our little tent.
Literally lit.
Lit.
Lit stands for Lukas and Ingo Topos.
So it's a lit time. Okay. So we obviously made it to Dubois, Wyoming. We're in a low-cost RV campsite. We've already met some of the other campers, all really friendly people, different places of life, doing different things. Please stop.
Can't help it. I like to play with the light. Yeah, we're next to a bubbling river. Lucas and I both took a dip in there. It's pretty fast flowing.
It's nice.
Really so refreshing.
Help the legs there.
Yes, so
For
it's
sure.
like it's cold. It was really nice and refreshing. The campsite is $25 a night, so just where we want to be on our budget. So we left this morning knowing we were going to go climbing up to 9,200
feet.
And we did that. It was like
easy.
3 hours, kind of.
I think it was less than that. Because we had a lunch break. I think it took us around 2 hours.
I counted lunch break, maybe.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, but it was about 15 miles up, and it was actually good. It worked fine. We're hitting a stride. And several people have told us before that, and some people that are bikers have told us it'll take you 3 weeks to make sure, even if you're trained or somewhat trained, it will take you 3 weeks to get to feel like you can tackle the mountains without feeling absolute pain. So yeah, we're getting there. How was your day, Lucas?
My day was good. I thought, an easy time going up the mountain.
He does.
It wasn't as bad.
He's always ahead.
We met two teachers who were biking. So it's always fun to meet other bicyclists and talk to them, and there's always a shared understanding of what we were all going through. We met a sister duo biking from Mexico to Canada.
They're doing the Continental Divide. All the way Canada, I believe, all the way to Mexico.
And
north, south.
Ooh, that was like cramp. Going the other way. So it's just interesting to see different people doing different things here.
Yeah.
And along the way, not each person, but almost every person, we got to share a little bit about what we're doing. And people are generally interested, and they want to follow, and some have said they'd like to donate. So it's kind of surreal when others who aren't friends or friends of friends have an interest.
Yeah, it's a blessing. We feel like connecting about the topic of mental health to pretty much everyone who wants to listen, except for the guy who who was yelling today out of the car.
We blessed him.
He felt threatened by me going down the hill at almost 50 miles an hour. But anyway, so, I don't want to talk about that because it will take too much time, not necessary. But it's been wonderful riding. I was having some good creative thoughts today. I feel like God was blessing the entire ride up the hill, thinking about 3 things. One was work, and I was reviewing a new qualitative research book through an audiobook. I finished about 20 hours of that, which is great to do on a bicycle. The other stuff was ministry and why we're doing this, and the format of the open source website, and how this could just become more of a movement to support pastors and missionaries, not just a one-time fundraiser. So yeah, if you have some thoughts, if you are into marketing, if you are into professional fundraising, if you are into multiplying let us know. We want to involve you. And yeah, this is not about Ingo and Lucas. This is just kickstarting something that we gave to God. We give it to God every day as we
Yes.
pray before we write. And so that's what we want to continue to do. So yeah, that's pretty much it from
Yeah.
the tent in Dubois, Wyoming. We're going to sleep now with a natural white noise machine that will not stop. It won't.
I know, it's just funny.
So, yeah.
So yeah. Good night, guys.
Good night, Guy. Thanks for being with us. Blessings.